So we got this nice chair from Amazon. It's a computer gaming chair. Elecwish gaming chair from Amazon for $79.99 plus shipping, handling, taxes. It was about $86. The feature that I definitely needed to have was that footrest down at the bottom of the chair. Basically slides out. You can recline the chair all the way back, so that way you can take a nice power nap. Love it. The chair comes in this big box, guys. It's pretty heavy. It's about, I want to say, probably maybe 70 pounds. I have it down here on the first floor because I have more area to assemble it, to put it together. So I can lay out also all the pieces so we can see what's in the box. As well as also helps out when you see the pieces on the floor and you compare them to the parts list on the manual. So we'll see how this thing goes together. So this thing has massaging function. Has a little vibrator device inside, or massaging. Sorry, it has a massaging device inside the lumbar support, which is good. So we'll see how that works. Box full of hardware. This is gonna be fun. Let's say this is the back of the chair. Oh wow, that was not the back of the chair. That was actually the front of the chair. I do love this. It looks like a racing seat, I guess. But this is how most gaming chairs look like. I mean, they have this racing seat kind of feel to them, right? It's beautiful. And the color, just to tell you the truth, I'm actually not disappointed. I thought the yellow would be a little bit lighter, but it's that darker yellow which I was looking for. So I think I'm gonna like this chair. So we got our parts laid out. We have all the hardware right here that we need to put this chair together. The controls right here for the chair. We got the sides, left and right, whichever. The back of the chair as well as the bottom of the chair. I believe that's the lumbar, and I think that might be like a headrest right there. And of course the bottom of the chair. So here's our parts list, okay? I think it's best if we take that guy over there and open that stuff up and just lay it all on the floor the way it's over here, so we can follow our steps, okay? I think it's gonna be the best way. All right, so let's give it a try. All right, so we have everything laid out, all the parts. So the first step is to get the base, which we have here. Put our wheels in, and put our support for the chair. This guy right here. So let's do that. So this should just push it in. And it's installed. Wheels are all installed. All right. Looking great. So we're about to install this telescoping mount for the chair, along with this telescoping cover. All right. So the way it goes is just drop it in like that. Once you sit on this, the pressure will secure it in place. And then you put the cover there. Alright, so we're about to put the step 3, which is putting this guy on the bottom of the chair. So we got to use specific hardware, N and J. H is actually this piece right here, putting this chair together. And B is actually the bottom of the chair. So we got all our hardware. There's J and M, which are our screws that we got to use according to the parts list. And here's our tool. Okay, so let's put it together. Alright, so this part is hard to get it wrong. There's 2 screws, hole right here, and 2 over here on each side. So it's impossible to put this thing on backwards. So, that's it. Alright, so we're at step 4. Step 4, we gotta put the bottom of the seat onto the base. Okay, and it's as simple as just picking it up and just put it there according to the instructions. Very simple, guys. Alright, now it's time to mount this bracket so we can mount the back of the chair to the bottom. This bracket, the long part, goes on the back of the chair. You just have to lift up this Velcro, line up your screw holes. And according to the parts list, we're gonna use the J washers, which we already have here. We're gonna use the P bracket, which is right there. And we're gonna use these end screws. End screws are actually these guys right here. That's 4 of them, so that's 4. Alright, so now it's time to attach the back of the chair to the base. Okay. So according to our parts list, we're gonna go ahead and use the it says J washer, I washer, and L screws. So J washers, we have 4 on the left right here. The I washers are right here, and the L screws are right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach this and then show you what it looks together. But this is what the item looks so far in the back. So it's good to manually start these guys in. You get the one on opposite corners, it's better. For this part, it helps if you have somebody else help you with the installation for the back, just like to get the screw holes lining up. But there it goes. So it's time to put our armrest on this chair. Okay, so the instructions tell us for the armrest we're gonna use O washers, which we still have 4. K screws, which are still in our parts bag. The K screws are these long guys right here. And we're gonna use the O caps when we're done. These caps, I guess, to cover up the screw holes. Okay. So let's put it together and see how it goes. Okay, so what do you think about the chair? How comfortable is it?
It's very comfortable. I like that the chair makes my back feel like it's straight, because with some chairs they kind of like feel like I'm kind of slouching inside the chair. And
did you feel more comfortable because of the lumbar support at the bottom of the chair?
I do feel more
you feel that lumbar support?
Yeah, yes.
You know, it has a built-in, it has that USB connection at the bottom, so you can plug it in and get a massage while you're resting. How you like the ottoman part, the ottoman function of the? Can you extend it out?
Yeah.
And put your feet and just yeah. That looks very comfortable. Jeez, wow. You think you could sleep in that position? Like if you were at an office job, you'd probably just be like knocked out for half an hour.
Yeah, definitely.
Get you a nice power nap.
Yeah.
Probably, right?
Yeah,
I think I could get a nice power nap in that chair. And while you're getting your massage from the lumbar support, nice. How's the neck support on that?
The neck support is very comfortable.
Is it very comfortable?
It's very, very comfortable.
I think this is an excellent Christmas gift for somebody, if somebody wanted to buy. The fact that we were able to find this thing for less than $100, like I could not find one for less than 100 once you factor in shipping, tax, and the product cost. This one was $86 with the freaking tax and everything. So I hope this chair holds, stands to the use and lasts for a while. I hope. Stay tuned basically to see how this chair holds up. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. That way it'll help us, hey, you like the videos, and we'll go ahead and make more videos like this for you. So stay tuned. We'll give our next review of how this chair did maybe 6 months down the line. Okay, that way you guys know if you haven't bought it, you're gonna buy it 6 months from now. We'll give you that review. Okay, stay tuned. Bye.